Hi everybody, I'm in Stavanger, Norway. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. It's our first port of call, Stavanger, Norway. And we're going to be doing an excursion. You'll see many, if not most, cruise vloggers never do, or at least rarely do, ship excursions. I say, if it's a bucket list cruise or a destination, go for it. Hi everybody, it is day 3. We are in Stavanger and we're about to go on our excursion, so let's go. These elevators are kind of cute. They have little animals in each one of them. After exiting the ship, we waited outside for about 20 minutes and then walked over to the boat and found a seat inside. The excursion was the Lysefjord cruise, and we paid about $70 each.
In 1,000 little ways.
On the way out, we passed by a few fish farms where you could even see the fish jumping out of the water.
Getting better every day.
Amazing waterfalls.
You got me feeling good. Oh, you got me feeling good. You got me feeling good. Oh, you got me feeling good. Oh.
In the distance, you could see grass roofs that Norway is notorious for.
If I hold love in my hand, then I've got love in my heart. This I gotta share.
As we made our way out to a fog-covered Pulpit Rock, we stopped by a couple of gorgeous waterfalls.
You got me feeling good. Oh, you got me feeling good. Oh, you got me feeling good. Oh, you got me feeling good. Year after year, though it seems like we change, some things I want to stay the same. You got me feeling good. Oh, you got me feeling good. Oh.
On the way back, we made a quick stop at a fjordside restaurant where we had some delicious waffles and jam with coffee.
You got me feeling good. Oh, you got me feeling good. Oh, you got me.
And then we gazed at the amazing views on our way back to the harbor. The tour was about 2 to 2.5 hours and the scenery was breathtaking. Hi everybody, so we just hiked up that hill right there. It's a lot more steep than it looks. We're just walking around Stavanger, enjoying the sights. Cute little town, cobblestone streets. There are 2 ships, ours and a Viking cruise ship. This is a very cute little town. Really enjoying the tour. This is really the first time I've had a chance to vlog a little bit because it's packed. I'm also out of breath. But it's really packed here. There's a lot of people here. And so we're just walking around enjoying this. And I'll show you a little bit of the town.
All of these places I've been, they don't feel like forever. But each step I'm taking, it seems like I'm finding myself.
top of the hill here, they have a tower that looks to be built around 1850. And then around it they have some cannons here. So as I said before, a nice little area. This is actually kind of relaxing. Looks like they're having some type of festival down in the marina area. And they've got a large stage set up for a concert. Not exactly sure what the festival is, but there's just a lot of people down there. But it's really pretty up here. Relaxing. Okay everybody, so we got finished walking around Stavanger. It's time to go back to the ship, and we are going to get on the North Star for a different view of this little seaside town. The North Star is free in port and an upcharge on sea days. But look at these views! Stavanger is a beautiful port, but it was time to eat. Hi everybody, we're going to Wonderland, and I'm going to check to see if somebody who has a picky taste for food can enjoy it. So let's go try it out. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to try is the mushroom risotto liquefied. Ready? Not my favorite. Okay, so as I've mentioned before, I'm really not a big fish person. So I've got shrimp here, which I like shrimp, but the other thing has got crab meat in it, and I'm not really fond of crab meat. We're gonna see what it's like. Doug's gonna go first. Plus, I also don't like spicy food, and this right here is kind of spicy.
Sauce has some kick to it.
That means, sir, you can if you want, you can go.
That's not bad. Definitely a different way of cooking shrimp.
This is another one from Fire Element. Ready, sir? Ready? After 3, 1, 2, and 3. Abracadabra. Yeah. So, this one we call the bird nest from the katai video, same like in the shrimp. And then we put cocoa border around, and we have hard-boiled egg on top. The egg white is real, but the egg yolk is reconstructed. We make from Japanese mayo, mustard, and Tabasco. And then on top, we put fried tempura, blue cheese powder, and sriracha sauce. Little bit spicy again. Please enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
This one is a dark colored chocolate. We make like a ball. Inside, you will see salted caramel ice cream, and in the bottom we have chocolate mousse. And inside the chocolate mousse, we have peanut butter brulee. I just pour hot caramel sauce for you, and the garnish we use caramelized popcorn.
So my recommendation is, if you're not adventurous, don't do the Wonderland. But if you're adventurous, I think it's a lot of fun. I'm a picky eater, and even I am not having any issues with it. Yeah, there's some things that probably aren't the tastiest for me, but you know, you need to live a little. And what I really like about this is that it takes away your pre-knowledge of what something is supposed to look like for what it's supposed to taste like. And so it's really kind of cool that you get these things that don't look like what you expect it to taste like, and it tastes like that. So I'm really enjoying that. Really neat concept. Yeah. Food's pretty good. I am actually a little bit surprised that I like the food because when we went to the test kitchen on Virgin, there was very little that I liked because their fishy stuff was very fishy, and their crab here really wasn't that fishy tasting. I guess the most fishy tasting stuff was the lobster, and it wasn't that bad at all either. Yeah, the shrimp was my favorite so far. And I don't like fish. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for tripping with me.